Hi and welcome back. Now let's get on with this sanding station, get this new sander mounted, so I've got to get this one moved, get that one shifted, possibly just moved, we'll see, and get this dust extraction system sorted out. So let's get on with it. Okay, that's the bench cleared. Now we can start sighting things. And I'll put it on this one. Now, I'll put it that way. That seems quite convenient. That way takes a lot of space, and I'm going to have to probably move it out. So, yeah, that's probably the best way. And keep it reasonably close to the edge. To reach easily. Yeah, that seemed good enough to me. And what's the other one like? With that there. Now I have this one sighted this way because I want that and this. I want to be able to get to both of them. So I think this is quite an ideal position, really, isn't it? Yeah. That there. I have it on wheels so I can put it where I want it. You've got a big piece of wood, you want to get in there to the sanding. You need to be able to move your sander to get it in. Unless you've got a massive workshop and you can put it in the middle of the floor. I don't. Now, that could stand there. Any timbers on here is not going to be in the way. I can get our point disc, although I only use the small stuff so it doesn't need to be. I'm going to mount it there and move this one back again. No, I can't move this one back a bit, but that's fine. I can clear. I'll tell you what, put it on an angle. Yeah, now I can clear easily. I can get to this, and even put it in there, it's still clear. There, I'm sorted. I think that's a good position for everything. Timbers that way, timbers that way, no problem. Big timbers on here. I've got lots of space to get big timbers down there. I'm going to be approaching it. Yeah, from here, I don't need this space. On this station, I've got this one, which is a very popular one that I use a lot. So timbers going along there a lot. This one, it's an occasional, it's not that often, but it's as convenient as that one is. I can get straight past it. So that's useful. This has its oscillating, it's a circular drum, it doesn't matter about its angle. So that is a good position for it. Okay, I'll get it fastened. I don't think I need to move anything. The hose pipe, dust extraction, I can shorten it to get it nipped in a bit tighter. I need to attach to this one here. And these are two separate ones. Because I don't use it much, I tend not to bother attaching that. I just shove it in straight away when I need it. Yeah, and then that's it. I don't use it that much. Okay, let's get it all screwed down. Easy one to mount with that one. So 2 screws straight through. And that also tight. Right, this one has not been mounted before, so I need some screws and washers. Okay, now its living position is a full circle. Is that? Like that, living position. It's as in as that, like that. That is how it lives. Because it's the door for all the spare sandpapers, which I can now actually install the spare drums that I got as well. So, that's where it lives. That's the PowerPoint for it. Only two. But I don't need more than two, I'll never use more than two of them at once. Dust extraction again is set up for this one only. For now, I need it to be hooked into that one. So as it comes past, I need the T there. Do I want it all floppy still like this? Am I able to do much about it? That I can, like that, that would work. Shorten that, reduce that, bring that down there. Now I need to get to that one. So, work on the dust extractor. You can see here, from here, this is polyweld pipe, 32mm, inch and a quarter, and bits of pipe. This I cut to length, a bit shorter to go into here. Then I want to put a 135 fitting onto there, which will put me through at a 45 there. Another 135 which will turn me back again here. Put a T on there. So I'll bob off to the suppliers, which is actually my hand, and get them few fittings. Unfortunately I didn't have any black T's left, so I'm going to have to do the white one. No, I suppose. Okay, so I'll put this one onto the end of this one here. Not gluing anything in place yet, just making sure everything's good and fits well. And then that will go to there. That will come to here. Spread it out a little bit like that, like that, like that. And again another flexi. This is just ordinary vacuum cleaner hose. I collect them because it does perfect. It's nearly always fits onto a 40mm. Look at that. Jubilee clip down that if you want, and that'll fit over the pipe as well. You see? Very good. Very good. Right, so it's going to go there, so I'll put it there. This stuff cuts very easy. Stand a knife around it all, and then just cut the wire with a pair of wire snips. As long as the blade works, the job will work. Okay, all the way around, and we just snip that bit of wire there, and then 2 pieces. Okay. So again, about there. Put this one the same way. That one fits onto there. I use that. I'll be clipped later. Just get everything in place first. Right. These two want to do opposite to each other and be exact flat, like that. That is right. Now I can try to fit that to that first. get the floor go in the correct direction, otherwise you get blockages, and it's good practice. Do plumbing, it's got to be. Upwards, like that. Right, that's all ready. That one to the main. That's good. Jubilee. Okay, I put a few clips on that, hold it in place nicely. But first I still need to bring a piece of pipe out there for this to fit back onto. Now a bit of white is the best I can do. Well, that's it, that's no matter. I can go there like that, so that's it up there. A bit of CT1 around this joint. See if I can't make it a little bit more permanent. It's the other end that wants to come off, not this end. Okay, now we're just looking at some Jubilee clips. I need two of them, one for that one and one for that one. Well, maybe one at the top there. Three. Well, that's going to have to wait till I get to the suppliers. I've got one. This one seems to be the most important because it's moving the most. Okay, right, well let's start with that wire that we've got. There's a little bit there, I think, because this is the back. So to get them all going this way, I shall cut this short but leave it on as an indicator as to which one it is, because it's the one I least use. These two, as long as I plug them in the correct order, it should be easy to remember which one it is. So the wires just drop down the back, but the first one on the back is which. And the dust extract, so this is the Plexi-Hose that it goes to. And that just simply slips into that, and it's a good enough tight fit because it's taper, so it fits in there tightly. And that's it. That now is the whole station with the brass gate set for suction. On this, the primary one, I know, is going to be the big one. Let's spin it through. Biggest nut, no, biggest washer rather, and the nut. Spanner. Solid. Right. Now the couple of washers. Let's leave them on the bench for now because they are vibration. Put in the ring to go around the edge. And let's sand some to see what it's like, just for the sake of it. For an 80 grit, that's pretty smooth. I'm going to go over a bit of dust then. As I've said, as you can see, bottom half is getting sanded. And as I say, I've got 30mm piece of timber that. So the bottom half of the drum is getting worn. Turned over for the next job. Well, I think that's been a successful upgrade. Adding that bobbin sander to the station, just giving me that little bit extra that I've always needed. Without breaking the bank and without cluttering up the workshop with heavy machinery. So, very useful. Alright, well once again, if you've got any questions, put them in the bottom. Otherwise, thanks for watching us, and I'll see you again next time. Bye for now.